And the final lesson learned is the best sales are the ones that she renewed her doTERRA wholesale membership after 2.5 years of being inactive. Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and I'm going to talk about a previous customer that became a current customer with a text message that I actually received. And so to kind of give you a little context of what happened, so we met up in February of this year just to kind of reconnect after, oh goodness, at least 2+ years of not even talking, because she had ordered a kit like before that, and then she texted me in June, early June, and then she purchased something. So I was just like, okay, so in her own timing, which I understand that happens with people, and it follows the principle, as long as you stick around, everybody else is eventually going to come around, and that's what I follow. I'm like, look, she was a previous customer, she became a current customer, and whether she buys one time or goes on the loyalty rewards program, it's cool. I know these products are helping her, because when our conversation happened, I think we talked for like 2 or 3 hours when we met in person in February. And so this purchase that she made in June was just like, it's a case study, something to learn from, but at the same time I was just like, man, like these are just a couple things she needs, but she definitely needs a lot more other stuff. But I know finances are a little bit tight for her, so that's why I do other videos on like the Stash app and the Cash app, which you can just kind of YouTube search that, Stash app Lance McGowan or Cash app Lance McGowan, and you can find ways to help support yourself financially so you can afford things that help your life and help improve your quality of life and your health. But anyways, she sent a text message with a picture of the PB Assist and the GX Assist, and she said, "Good afternoon, Lance. Hope all is well with you. I would like to order the following from you today. Can you let me know when I can?" And so I sent her a message back, and I said, "Hi, did you want to place a one-time standard order or a loyalty rewards program order, auto ship in parentheses, for those? Both are 25% off retail price." And she says, with a lot of M's, "I think I'm going to place one time to see if they help with digestion and bloating." And then I said, "That works. Did you want your login info, or did you want me to walk you through it over the phone?" And so that's the level of personalized service or customized service that I try to provide people is, if you can do it on your own online, great. If not, I have no problem walking through over the phone, or, I could do it and then, she's on the other line giving me information, whatever works for the individual. And then I followed up with, it's pretty simple, but you just need to renew your wholesale membership. It's $25 for 1 year, and you get a free peppermint, which is valued at $20.50. She says, "1 second, please." So she's maybe thinking. And then she says, "I just went in and changed my password so I can log in. What do I do to get the 25%? And I need anything besides your name." Okay, so, it's been a while, right? It's been almost 2.5 years since she's done any ordering. And so, you need a little refresher, but it was cool she took the initiative to just kind of do that initial step. And I said, you can go to doTERRA.com with your member ID, and I gave her that, and place a standard one-time order of those products to receive 25% off of retail with renewal of your membership, which is the $25 there. And if you have any issues, let me know. And she says, okay. And then I said, my name will automatically be attached to your account. So that's how it works, even if it's been many, many years. And some people, they've come around 3 or 4 years and be like, oh, okay, because they might see me on social media or YouTube or just on a networking event, or maybe my name pops up somewhere and they're just like, hey, what's Lance up to? And then they find me and they're just like, oh yeah, I need some oils. So that's how sometimes it happens, which is cool. And she says, okay, thank you so much. And I said, you're welcome. And then the day later, I said, hi, congrats on your purchase, because I saw that her order went through. And then I said, I included the 2-step cleanse below. And so I gave her a link to the GX Assist, which is days 1 through 10. That was a video that I did. So I gave her that link. And then I gave her the PB Assist, which is days 11 through 20. And I gave her a link to that video. And I said, these go hand in hand with the whole food education email I sent after we met last time as well. And last time we met in person, this was, like 4 months prior to all this happening, she got a really detailed email on how to improve her health using whole foods and documentaries and videos and books and guides. And it was just a free resource that I would value over $1,000 because of the amount that it's going to save you in future costs, because you're focusing on a proactive wellness lifestyle and what you eat, what supplements you take, and mindset and stuff. But I give that for free because that's just how I want to help people. Like, it freed me, and so it's time to free other people by getting fact-based information that can really help your health and your digestion and energy and support your immune system and all those things. And it's not just essential oils, it's not just supplements, it's a whole wellness lifestyle. All right, and so I said, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Hope you have a great day. And she says, oh, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Have a great day. Multiple exclamation points. And I said, glad to help. and that was it. And so what are the lessons learned here? Well, I mentioned it earlier, but the main things that I follow with my doTERRA business is I move towards people that move towards me, and she moved towards me, and then she kind of went away, and then she moved towards me, and she kind of went away, but each time I was there to help her when she needed it. Number two is when people don't move towards me, I talk to the next person, and so I talk to new people, you know, at networking events, online on YouTube, email, Instagram, other places, and that's fine, or even Facebook sometimes. And then I try to give videos sometimes of those conversations if I find them interesting, or if there's a little learning that I can expose, and that is, you know, going to help people in their own journey, or at least build some awareness around stuff that's happening in my life so they can hopefully empathize or at least relate to stuff. And then the last principle is some will, some won't. So what? Someone's waiting. And she was the some wills back in the day, and then she was going to, finances were tight, and then she purchased, and she became, you know, she was just waiting, and then she became the some will again. And so this is an interesting experience because, again, she purchased something, we had a little falling out, and then we met again, and then she purchased something later. And the whole time I was not pressuring her, I was not on her back like, hey, you gonna do it, you know? It's just like, no, I give people space, I give people time to think, I give people time to, you know, get their finances right, time to think, you know, and just really give them that time, because that's sometimes what they need. And that's how I appreciate when people do it. You know, they don't just not on my back and they have sales breath of like, you gonna buy it, or here's this business opportunity, you gonna be perfect, you gonna do it. Like, that's not an effective way. Like, just, you know, I asked them some questions. I understood finances were tight. Once I hear that key word, I'm like, all right, just give them time. That's it. And I don't text message them. I mean, she's on my email distribution list because she's a previous customer, but that's the only touch she gets, and it's like once a week, and it's on an educational video. There's no like, hey, buy this or anything. So it's very just like attraction marketing. Like, I'm just trying to add value, trying to educate, trying to help people, and if they are about that, then they keep watching my videos, or keep opening up my emails, or keep reading what I produce, or they want to follow up, and that's great. And the final lesson learned is the best sales are the ones that come to you. Right? So that is the best sales, is because people have a need, they've got goals, they're looking for a fit on something that will help resolve that issue they're going through. And when they come to you, it's great because I didn't have to do anything, right? I just had to help her when she was ready, and that's perfect. That's how I want all sales to be, is when they just all come to me. They can't always be like that, but it's cool when they are. I do appreciate them. And other than that, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did. Share this video with somebody that would benefit from it. And most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on. And I will see you in the next video.